Hi everyone, and a warm welcome back to Box's YouTube channel, where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Segway T15E electric scooter. Unboxing and assembling the scooter has been made unbelievably easy because the scooter is already built. There was no messing around with screws or parts. All I had to do was pull the scooter out and extend the handlebars, so first impressions were looking pretty good. I was really impressed with the design. To be honest, it's like nothing I've seen before on an electric scooter. It's futuristic, stylish, and oozes a premium feel. An excellent part of the design on this scooter is the ambient lighting at the front, which can be customised through the Segway Ninebot app. This allows you to make a statement by adding your own personal touch to the scooter. It also has an LED dashboard that displays information on driving mode, speed, battery life, and Bluetooth connectivity. And the screen is really sleek as it fits flush with the handlebars. As well as the screen, the T15E's parking brake blends perfectly with the rest of the scooter, so it's barely visible when riding. You can see that every part of this scooter has been logically designed to be kept in line with the stylish design. It also has maintenance-free tyres to make upkeep minimal and a slip-resistant foot pad so you can feel safer when riding. The rear fender on the T15E is multifunctional, so you can have most of your commands in one place. It operates power, rear brake, riding modes and headlights so that you can keep your hands free for riding. There are 4 riding modes on this scooter. It has pedestrian mode, which reaches a top speed of 3.7 miles an hour, and energy saving mode, which has a max speed of 6.2 miles an hour. If you're looking to ride at higher speeds, you can easily switch between modes to standard mode, which has a speed of 9.3 miles an hour, or even up to sport mode, which has a max speed of 12.4 miles per hour. One of the reasons that this scooter was so easy to get up and running was because of its clever one-click folding ability and retractable handlebars, which make it even more compact when folded. As when it's folded, this scooter is only 8.7 inches and weighs just 10.5 kilos, making it super compact and lightweight. The Segway keeps safety at the forefront, with front, side and rear reflectors that are E-Mark certified to ensure that you can always be seen. This scooter also has 2.5 watt front LED lights which can help light your path up to 10 metres, as well as a rear light and brake light to ensure you maximum visibility, especially when riding at night. On top of this, it has a really loud electric bell which works by pressing the electronic throttle and electronic brake together, allowing you to easily be heard when you need to. This scooter is equipped with a manual and electronic brake, as well as a regenerative braking system, allowing you to ride even further on just one charge. The battery has a capacity of 167 watt-hours and 4,650 milliamp hours, and it has a max charge time of just 4 hours, which can take you up to 7.5 miles. This electric scooter is a more eco-friendly method of transport compared to many other options such as driving or motorbike riding, and its regenerative braking is a great addition that helps to recycle electricity. In addition to this, its polystyrene packaging has been created to be reused, as it can also work as a sturdy horizontal and vertical stand. Although most may not use the packaging in this way, I thought it was a great way to encourage people to reuse the packaging. Overall, this sleek and modern electric scooter from Segway provides safety, speed and usability, as well as having some excellent added features. And these are the many reasons why we think this is a real premium electric scooter. Thanks for watching our review of the Segway Ninebot T15E scooter. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Also, make sure to let us know what you think of the product and leave any questions you might have below, and we'll be happy to get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.